How to hide photos on iPhone. So go ahead and open your Photos application. Click on whatever album wherein the photo that you want to hide is located. After that, click on Select button on the upper right part of the screen. Now click on the photos that you want to hide. It doesn't matter how many, just select as many photos as you need. Now, once you're done selecting pictures to hide, click on the circle with the three dots icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. These additional menus will then show, and in here you will be able to see Hide. It's between the slideshow and duplicate button. Click on that and just confirm it by clicking on the Hide photo here. After that, your photos will now be in the hidden album, which is protected by your phone password. So that is how to hide photos in iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.